Hello! In this video I unbox, set up and connect for printing the small photo printer Canon Selphy QX-20. I show the following in the video, and for the product review and comparison with other small printers, check the video in the upper right corner. There is not a lot to unbox. There's a USB-C charging cable and you find the QR code which guides to download the app, which I use later to connect and print. I put my printer to charge, so I will unpack some media. Here is label set media. It is square size and it is a sticker. I find 2 packs of square media with ink cartridge included. This Selphy can also print on card size, which has different ink cartridge. For card size you can buy 20 or 60 pack. And that size is not supported on Selphy QX-10, for which you find my video in the upper right corner of the screen. Next, I install ink and media. This is the ink cartridge, which has exactly the capacity of the media from the pack. In the paper cassette you find paper guides, which I need to adjust to fit the card size. And orientation is as this icon shows. The Selphy is sufficiently charged and I turned it on for the first time. Follow the next steps via the app to set up the Selphy. My Selphy has been quickly connected, and in the next part I do some printing. First I print a photo of the card size. I select date and borderless print. The print spec is 40 seconds for a photo. I start the stopwatch when the printing starts. If you need 10 by 15 centimeters or 4 by 6 inch format, then you should pick the Selphy CP1500. which has excellent quality as all selfie series, including 100 years longevity of the printed photo when stored in the album, in the upper right corner. My first photo is printed, and as always the quality is very nice. The Selphy app has many options to play. Here I select Photo Collage and select more photos to combine, and then add some decorations. I measure the print speed again. The new version of Selphy app is now easier to use and fewer steps are required to get the photo printed. Image searchability has been improved. You can rotate the selected images and also shuffle the layout in Photo Collage. With a few seconds later, my collage has been printed. And for the last print, in this video I print the square sticker. I need to replace the media and also the ink cartridge. The square label media uses different ink cartridge from the card media size. In the app, I select Square Media and select the position of the photo. Here I'm trying to change the recording angle, so sorry for shaking my camera. In this video I show all the printing in real time. As the product review video, I did some fast forward mode on this one. To find about quality on Selphy, which is a bigger format, check the video in the upper right corner. The sticker has been printed with very nice quality, and that would be all in this video. While I stick my photo, you can find more Selphy videos in the playlist, and feel free to like or subscribe to support my channel so I can create more content in the future. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.